Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Right now, or currently, it's day 1 here in Amsterdam, and we are quickly heading off to Rijksmuseum.
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
Okay guys, right now we just made it to the museum, and damn, this place is on another level.
Toppen utav toppen. Toppen utav toppen.
Guys, right now we're just quickly leaving at the museum, and I'm pretty sure next we're leaving off to our sightseeing trip. Just a little thing, today's vlog is gonna be huge, so I'm gonna try to make it short as possible. And now we just came to this restaurant to have some lunch before our sightseeing trip. We're having this shawarma sort of thing, I guess, and yeah. So right now we just quickly got done with lunch. The place we had lunch was kind of like a Subway version of shawarma. You get to choose what you want in shawarma, and you can see how they make it. And right now we're about to head to our sightseeing trip. If you guys really don't know what the sightseeing trip is about, we get on a bus and it takes us to more of the outskirts and little towns of Amsterdam and show us around.
Thanks for noticing.
Thank you.
Now we're starting to get this.
The team one more time. We will introduce una vez más. Hello everyone, I'm Ian.
Okay guys, right now we just made to our first destination, which is like this area with some windmills, and I think there's a chocolate factory too, because I can really smell the scent of chocolate. I'm not sure about that. Like I said before, there's a chocolate factory around here, because every shop we go by is like either a sweet shop or a chocolate shop. And another thing is that there is a farm around in this area, because you can see lots of sheep and a lot of swans and birds and any sort of animals that you expect to see in a farm. This has to be the chocolate factory that I'm talking about, because it says, okay, that does not say cocoa, but I think it's something close to cocoa. Okay guys, right now we just quickly got something from the little chocolate factory sort of thing. These are like these little chocolate balls. I wanted to vlog in there, but it was too dark, so you guys could barely see anything in the lighting over there. And yeah, let's try these out. Guys, let's quickly try these out. Okay, here you go. They come like as in these small chocolate balls, I could say. Let's try these. These are good. Damn. There's a little bit. You want to try some? Okay. I'm gonna wait to finish chewing. These are absolutely amazing. I could eat these like forever. We also got these white ones. I think those are coconut. I'm not a real big fan of coconuts. Guys, when I told you that this place is a farm, there's like birds everywhere. There's like one over here, and one over here, one over there, And then there's one like right about somewhere around here. Okay guys, right now we're quickly heading back to our bus, then to our next destination. Okay guys, right now we just made it to destination number 2. This place is more like a wooden shoe factory. I'm sure they're gonna show us how the shoe is made and let us try the wooden shoes. Probably find ourselves a size and let us try them out. I'm pretty much not really interested in this exhibit. It sounds quite boring to me. We just got done with the shoe factory and we're heading off to the main attraction, which is a canal ride. And when I mean a canal ride, I basically mean a boat ride. And we're just about to board this boat. Not this guy, this boat.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Hello. Yes, thank you. Good afternoon.
San.
Set?
San, S-A-N.
Oh, San.
Yeah.
San.
Okay. So guys, right now we just got done with the boat trip and my tour guide is gonna tell you where we are.
And I'm together with San.
Yeah.
Okay, and we are now, let's make a video like this. Okay, so we are now in Volendam, which is a village with 30,000 inhabitants. And they have their own dialect over here, so I don't understand them at all. And behind you there's the biggest lake in Western Europe. It used to be saltwater, but it's now freshwater, so that's really interesting. And you had a boat ride on it already,
yeah,
right?
Yeah.
So it's all freshwater, and yeah, well, he was on a beautiful island.
Yeah.
So we have a very historical, beautiful place.
Bye.
High five. Box. Yes.
So guys, right now we just got into the little cheese factory. They're gonna show us how the cheese is made and they're gonna probably let us try some cheese. Okay guys, right now we just got done with the cheese factory. We learned how to make cheese. I actually recorded all of that. The only thing that I didn't record is the test cheesing part because it was packed back there. Everybody was screaming, I want cheese! I could barely record anything. It was like completely packed. Bye, okay. It was packed back there. And basically, it was too much to vlog. So guys, right now we're heading back home after the tour. I expected it to be longer, but it's actually short. So it's like 3 destinations only, 3 or 4. Yeah, I think it was 4. Yeah, it was around 4 destinations. That was the last one where they showed you to make a waffle. I didn't find that quite interesting, so I didn't vlog that. And yeah. In Amsterdam. Amsterdam.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, that's it for today's vlog. Make sure guys click that subscribe button, like this video, comment below, and peace.